Bitcoin is actively testing the top resistance on this bull flag pattern. Guys, I think we have potential to move as high as nearly 8% in this coming week. We need to be watching this carefully, and I have 3 patterns along with major indicator data that shows a breakout is likely. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. As of today, we're 193 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades. We have a lot of information we're going to go over, so let's jump right into it. Today is May 20th, and currently we're looking at Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame. The current pattern you're seeing in white is what's called a bull flag pattern. This is indicated by a sharp move up followed by a descending channel. And most often this is going to break to the upside, typically as high as the height of the flagpole itself, though that is rather optimistic for where we're sitting. I think that could play out in the future, but right now we're just looking for structural resistance near the previous all-time highs. Now you're going to notice sell signals. Why am I calling a move up when there's sell signals? We are looking for what's called a short squeeze in the market. This happens when you see bearish signals, but whales know this. Whales know when things are looking bearish in the market. They know when retailers are looking to sell, and this was a great example of this. We saw moves up. We saw a sell signal. Retailers were likely to sell out of the market, so whales hunted down short trade liquidity and invalidated it. They liquidated it, and this pumped the price up. They did it again here. Even though things were not quite bearish yet, we did see whale money high, we did see trades in favor high, but whale money still had room to move up. Whales did it again. Short trades were coming into the market. Retailers thought the price was going to drop, but whales pumped the price again, and this brought us to our current all-time high. I think this exact scenario is playing out again. Whale money is super low on its chart. We have plenty of room on the whale money flow to move up, and as whale money moves into the market, this is likely to break to the upside because we have major resistance, and when you break resistance, you should be getting ready for pretty significant moves up. This is bullish pattern number 1. Number 2, and I'm going to remove the TC top and bottom finder here to make it clearer, is what's called an inverse head and shoulders. We got the left shoulder neckline, we got the head and neckline, right shoulder, and we haven't quite reached the other top yet. And the previous top sits at $72,777. If we reach that point, it would complete this inverse head and shoulders pattern. So that is point number 2. And this pattern right here is actually where we're getting our current price prediction. The third and last major bearish pattern that we're looking at, we need to check out the 1-week time frame for. This is what's called a cup and handle pattern. And this was actually called out by one of our members last week. You are seeing a huge U shape in the Bitcoin market. This is the cup. And the descending channel here that we see on the bull flag pattern creates what's called a handle. Most often, this is going to break to the upside for about half the height of the bull. Again, not quite that optimistic yet. I think we could see major moves up throughout the rest of 2024, but today, as we head back to the 1-day time frame, I'm just looking for a move up to that $72,777, which again, from the current price, is looking like a move up of about 8%. I forgot to mention here on the 1 week, we're getting major bullish signals. Whale money is low, trades in favor is low with a 69% chance of a pump. If we get a 75% chance of a pump or higher with whale money low, and especially if we get a buy signal on the weekly time frame here, this creates what's called the bullish trifecta. And on the weekly, this is going to cause insane moves to the upside. This is bullish no matter what time frame you're on, especially 1 day here. But on the weekly, if we get that, get ready for some skyrocket moves here in Bitcoin. Before we end this video, I want to complete our analysis with our metric readings. But before we do, I just want to thank our newest members. There's quite a few of them from last week, so bear with me. Brandon, thank you so much for joining us. Josh P, Alex, Sonny, we cannot wait to trade with you. Chad, Chris M, Chris A, Joshua H, PG, Millen, apologies if I got that wrong. Juan, Brendan, Brian, Catalin, Dominic, Becca, Peter, Broden, Sean, Chance, Jaden, George, Stefan, Adolfo, William, Fritz, James, Corbin, Jason, Henry, Rick, Tunay, Alan, Joseph, Alex, Anze, that's a cool name, Britton, Tom, Janine, David, Josh, Linda, Raphael, Ashis, John, L, and Chris. Guys, welcome to the Trade Confident family. If I listed off your name, let me know down in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. We really look forward to trading with everyone. As a heads up, brand new 2 potential quality trade setups for our members to look at. Members can check out those trades at the Trade Setups tab here. Guys, members only coaching videos coming tomorrow. Don't miss those. You can access metrics across all 40 coins. Check out our Morning Brew overviews, get major discounts on our indicators, and join us this week, Thursday, May 23rd, for our live Inner Circle Zoom Hangout. All that and more available to our members. And with that, let's check out the Bitcoin metrics. Starting with the Bitcoin Emotional Index, we are pushing into greedy territory. And most often, this is going to be very bearish. But as you can see, bearish reading with the greedy territory resulted in a significant move up with that short squeeze. It happened again right here. We got a little bit of a drop and then the insane move up. So this could still very easily post a short squeeze scenario. Bitcoin Whale Smart Money metric shows the same thing. Major bearish sentiment, orange bars towards the short trade sentiment side. But again, back here, short trade sentiment led to a short squeeze. Short trade sentiment, short squeeze. It happens quite often. And the only reason, I want to reiterate this, the only reason we are so bullish right now is because of the massive bullish patterns between the bull flag, between the head and shoulders, and the cup and handle on the 1 week time frame. This is why we're so optimistic for a short squeeze scenario here. And this is why we're looking for moves up to $72,777. Guys, one of our traders here just won their first trade as part of the Trade Confident family. They said it was an awesome win. If you want to get access to all of these trade calls, and if you want to get massive discounts on our indicators so you can make these calls on your own, you're going to want to join our membership. Let me run you through how to do that and how to snag these indicators for up to $550 off. Check this out. Links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. Membership is the very first link. Click that and it's going to bring you to our membership page. Full access, $65 a month. Everything I showed you earlier is yours. Go ahead and click subscribe now. Follow the prompts, and once you have your membership, you're going to head to the indicator tab. That's going to be the second link. Click that, and it'll bring you to our Pro Indicator page. Pro Indicator Pack members, your first $150 can be found with the coupon codes at this link. Once you have those, click Pro Indicator Pack, go ahead and scroll down and click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you a massive $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the membership for those new trade setups and tomorrow's future forecast video. Don't miss out.